In this video, I'll demonstrate how to edit page permalink in WordPress. Specifically, I'll be editing the URL slug, which is the last part of the URL. As in my case, it's about us sample page. And this particular example, I want to make sure that my page title, about us, fully matches the URL slug. So that I need to remove this last part, -sample-page. So in order to make this change, let's log into WordPress dashboard and then hover on pages, then click on all pages. But now let's locate the page in question. In my case, it's this one, about us. And now let's add it in the block editor. Then on the right, look for the page settings. In case you want to see this menu right here, click on the settings at the very top right corner, and it should pop up. Then look for the link section. Let's click on the existing link. And right in here, we can edit the page URL slug. As in my case, let's delete the last part, -sample-page. Let's highlight it, press delete, and then let's save the changes. Now let's go back to the website. Let's go to home page. And now let's try opening the About Us page once again. And as you can see, here's the updated page URL slug. It's now about-us. So that's all I want to show you in this short video. Hope you found it helpful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.